We have another caller on the line. John, we have a disability question from Washington County.
Yes, I am John from Washington County, and I would like to know how long it takes for a disability claim to go through. I have filed for disability back in 2018. I have been turned down 3 different times, and I have went to their doctors 3 different times, and my doctors have sent them medical records, unbelievable records. And I have not worked since 2020, December the 23rd of 2020. And I'm in against a brick wall. What can I do? And I do got an attorney, but I'd rather not mention their name. So what can I do? How long does it take for a case to go through?
Okay, John, please don't, I thank you so much. Please don't mention the attorney's name. What you are experiencing is very typical from, our experiences with talking to disability attorneys who actually specialize in disability law. The process is very complicated at times. It's very convoluted. It doesn't seem fair by any means, but the short answer is, thank goodness that you do have an attorney. Whether you're happy with them or not, I hope that they're actually fighting for you and litigating for you, just as if Doug was litigating for the homeowners or the hurricane cases, or us as the personal injury side of things. You have somebody in your corner, and going up against the government is a daunting task. They have the right, they have the checkbook, they own the bank, they can deny you all these claims as long as they want to. But I encourage you, please, if you can, go sit with your attorney. Maybe you can have questions answered. As far as the length of time, that's an open-ended question, Doug. It's
I've heard it's a long process. I don't.
It is extremely. We have a lot of friends in the bar area that do this, and they get extremely frustrated as well, John. So I guess I'm trying to be encouraging to you, to let you know that you're not the only one who's having to deal with this. I don't believe there's a certain set time period for them to make a decision or to eventually grant you the benefits that you're owed and due. And it sounds like your doctor is going to bat for you and providing you with the medical documentation for your attorney to get this in front of the administrative judge. Keep in mind, I'm sorry that you've been turned down 3 times also, but we went through a very weird period with the hurricane and then COVID, to where some of the cases have been backlogged in front of these hearings, but I know the courts are doing the best they can. We're trying to get these cleared up. Short answer is I can't really tell you, because I couldn't tell you how long a personal injury case would actually take, because everyone is specialized and everyone is different. But I would encourage you to go sit down with your attorney. I'm sorry I can't provide you a better answer for that. But if your doctor is actually going to bat for you and advocating for you that you do have these medical conditions, at some point I would feel the dam would have to break, and somebody with a clear head has to understand that you are disabled and you do qualify for disability.
And I think if eventually there is an award, that probably the award is retroactive.
It's retroactive
so
from the time that you filed. Yes.
Past benefits coming, and there are many good lawyers who practice in this area of law. I don't practice in this area of law, but it's
very specialized.
It's very special, and you have to be patient, John, as much as you can, because it doesn't happen overnight.
Right.